This is our first activity. It's called the shape cut out activity. So all you need for this activity is a pre-cut shape, construction paper, a pencil and an eraser. So I've got my cutout paper and I have this little house or the shape I drew on my construction paper, and that works as well. Now when I think of reflection, what I think is the line of reflection is a mirror or a mid-ground where I meet my friend. So this is my house. It is over here. That's the point it belongs to, okay? And this is where the cafe's door is, okay? And now, if I tell you that my friend lives the same exact different distance from my house to the cafe and her house to the cafe, can you trace the steps back to her house? So I want you to think about how that will work. Once you brainstorm, I'll show my method. So this is step 1 I take from my house. So that's like 1 block away. And this is the second block. And this is the third block. So the third block takes me to a cafe with a relaxing atmosphere where I drink coffee and read my book, talk to my friend. And now we know that the distance between my house and the cafe is 3 blocks away. Once we know the distance, we know that we need to walk 3 more blocks away from the cafe, right? So that'll be 1, 2, and 3. So this should be the door of her house. So if I tell you more information about her house and my house, what we have in similar, our houses look the same. So that means the corners of my house, which will be another 3 blocks, another 3 blocks from the road the cafe belongs to, will be a corner of her house, and then this 3 blocks, I walk 3 blocks, another 3 blocks will be another corner. So that's the entrance wall that I can draw of her house. Now that works. What about the top of the house? So can you all take a moment and calculate how far or how many blocks I'll have to go or cross to take this top and reflect it to the other side of my paper? So where will it be? Now that you thought about it, I'm going to use another pen and calculate the blocks. So this is my first block, this is my second, this is my third, and this is my fourth. So I know the whole house is basically 4 blocks. Tiny little house. And then there are 3 blocks added to it, which means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So now I need to walk 7 blocks more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll just continue from here. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ta-da! So that will be the roof of her house. And of course, you can retrace these steps. So it says 3, 4, so 2 more blocks will be this corner, these corners, and I can make a wall over here. And then I know it is a perfect triangle. Now that I know that, and now that you know that, I bet you can retrace her roof as well. So this is how our blocks look like. I know it's a little messy, but let me erase everything and show you. This is how it looks like. It basically is, I find a point and I calculate the steps to the midpoint or the midline, and then I calculate and I walk those same steps, same distance, and make another point over here. I can do that with all the points or the corners that are available in my shape, for my shape. I wonder if you can do this activity. You can try making a house, a castle, even some irregular pictures, and do it yourself. Have fun experimenting.